GM wants to offer you a bolt kit. They want 3 bolts replaced whenever you remove the valve body. So we're showing you the bolt kit on page 73. We also show you the part number for the bolt kit. That's 24, 29, 43, 56. And here's what they want. Only the 3 bolts indicated. This does not involve all the bolts. Only the 3 circled. So those are the 3 bolts you'll receive in the kit. And what this is all about is simply the thread lock. As you can see, and if we go back and we look at this picture on page 73, you'll notice the new bolts have nice coating of thread lock at the ends, whereas the bolts we removed, it's all deteriorated. Now, oil can leak up from the case, from oil being flung around and around the threads. All we're doing here is replacing that bolt so that don't happen. And what they want you to do is when you install a filter, the bolt indicated here is the bolt you see on the left that goes in that location. You'll notice it's heavily coated with thread lock. This actually is not so much as oil squirting out, but to prevent a leak in clutch circuits is what this is all about.
Thank you for watching. For all confirmed fix videos and unlimited technical support, become an ATSG member, your transmission tech solution. Click the membership link below.